Masking allows us to determine which part of a layer is shown or hidden in our document by restricting its visibility. This is a non-destructive method since it doesn't alter your original image. For this lesson, we'll be using this picture of an Alfa Romeo, a car I'll never own in my life. Go to the Icons bar and click the Adjustments icon. Remember, we've been here before, so a lot of this shouldn't be brand new. So when you click it, again, the menu opens, and let's choose black and white. So far we're doing, the same thing that we did in the last lesson. Close this box because we're not going to need it. Now, what you need to do is to go to the bottom of the toolbar and take a look at these little moons right here. You need to make sure that your foreground color is black. So this should say set foreground and it's black, and it should be appearing here. The background color should be white. So make sure before we do anything else that you have all those things in a row. Now what's going to happen is you're going to end up painting over the original layer with the black. And what it's going to do is it's going to reveal everything that's underneath. And that's why we call this masking. Now once you're good to go there, what you need to do is to go and select the paintbrush tool right here. So once we select it, you'll see that this appears up here. And what we're going to try to do is we're going to start with 100 pixels up there. Well, let's do a 150. Okay, so here's 150. And then once you mouse over, you'll see that with the paintbrush tool, this causes the color of the car to show through. So we've got the black mask selected right there, and we've got our paintbrush, which is going to do all that. So if we click down and we paint over it, we'll be able to paint over all of this right here. So let's do that. Now you can change the pixels and zoom in and zoom out and all that sort of thing, so you can make everything more exact. So let's change this to 50 to make this a little bit smaller. And then in view, let's zoom in a little bit so we can get a better beat on things. So then you're going to be coloring all around. I shouldn't say coloring all around. You're going to be painting all around. And we'll get this exactly the way you want. And of course, if you get outside of the lines, unlike in your little kids' coloring books, you can fix this, which is a gift to us all. Okay, so let's make sure that we go over the window here because, of course, you're going to see the bricks in the background. And there's some white up here. And once you get the way you want it, then you're done. So what we have here is this will make our car, our Alfa Romeo here, really pop out of the whole image. And this technique has a name. It's called a color splash. It's used to make an object really pop in your photo, as I said. Actually, I Googled color splash and looked over a few photos in case you were wondering if I'm making all this up. So that's it for this lesson. Remember to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you can stay up to date on the next lesson in my Affinity Photo 2 journey. As a reminder, I'm still working on the John Wayne Gacy victims video. Hopefully that will drop in the next week or two.